In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify duplicates between two worksheets. If you want to quickly compare information across two sheets and visually spot repeated values, conditional formatting is a simple and effective way to do it. This method is especially useful when you're working with lists like names, Idaho's product codes, or any other column of data that needs to be checked against another worksheet. To begin, highlight the data you want to check in your first worksheet. Make sure you select the range that contains the values you want to compare. It's important to start with the correct range, because the formatting rule will only apply to the cells you've selected. Once your data is highlighted, go up to the Format menu and click Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Formatting panel, where you can create a rule that automatically checks each cell in your selected range. In the Format Rules section, click the drop-down that says Format Cells If, and then choose Custom Formula Is. This option allows you to use a formula instead of a built-in rule, which gives you more control when comparing data between two different worksheets. Now enter this formula. Equals count if open parenthesis, indirect open quotation mark sheet 2 exclamation point, A2 colon a close quotation mark, comma A1. Close parenthesis, greater than 0. This formula checks whether the value in the current cell appears anywhere in column A of the second worksheet. If it does, the formula returns true, and the selected cell will be highlighted. If needed, make sure the sheet name and column reference match your actual layout. Also, pay attention to the starting cell in your selected range, because that affects how the formula applies down the list. After entering the formula, choose the highlight color you want to use. Pick something easy to notice so duplicates stand out clearly when you review your data. Then click Done to apply the rule. You should now see any matching values in your selected range highlighted automatically whenever they also appear in the second worksheet. This is a great way to save time and reduce manual checking, especially when working with larger data sets. Thanks for watching.